Hoagie 1685 back here again, and we're going to do a little walk around on Project Prowler. We're going to do some things to the outside of this trailer. I'm just going to do walk around the outside and things that I want to do and freshen up on this trailer. So we'll just do a little walk around. I guess we'll start right here. The tires and rims. I'm going to get all new tires for this trailer. The sidewalls and the treads are pretty weather checked, so that's number one with trailers. You want good tires. I'm going to paint the rims. I'm going to wire wheel those, paint them up. The electrical service cover here, I got a new one of those. Walking around the trailer, it's in pretty good shape. I got to clean up the windows. I want to tint them as well to help keep the sun out and keep the trailer cooler. Plus it'll look pretty cool. This is the vent for the furnace. I'm probably gonna freshen that up with some paint. It's a little rusty, but the exterior is pretty good. The front here, a little dirty. I'm gonna clean that with some spray 9 or maybe some bleach. We'll see. Pressure wash it. The tongue here, I'm gonna go around the whole trailer and wire wheel and paint all the tongue and the frame and the bumper and everything. So this is a little before. Get to see what it looks like. The wiring's pretty good, so I'll probably leave that alone. Might put a new end on the plug here, but it's not bad. But chains, you know, they're chains, they're rusty, whatever. I got a new battery box. It's a battery tray where the batteries go. I got a new plastic box for the battery to go in, and I'll neaten up that wiring. And the decals are a little, they've seen better days, so I don't know, maybe see if I can find some new decals to put on it. I already put a new awning roller ball on there and a new door catch. You can see there. I put a new range hood exhaust vent on. This here is the back panel of the fridge. So I'm definitely going to, it looks a little yellow. So I'm going to clean that all up, spray paint it all nice new white again. I'll probably do a new outdoor plug here. It seems fine, but it's just that, I don't know, it's kind of cheap plastic and it looks gross with all that silicone, so I'll probably get a new cover for that. Here's another shot on the rims on the other side. Yeah, the fender here, I might see if I can get a new one for that. That's looking a little rough. The jacks are all pretty good. I'll clean up the threaded rods on them, and maybe I'll wire wheel them and paint them black so they're all nice and sharp again. I'll fix that where the awning mounts to the bottom of the trailer. I'll clean that bracket up, paint it all nice and white. I'll probably get some gutter guard extensions. Those are a big thing everybody does, little upgrade to get that water out and away from the trailer. Spare tire cover. Yeah, it's seen better days too. I'll see if I can get a new cover for that, and I'll get a new spare tire. I already put new lights on. I did that last year. And here's the outdoor shower. Here's the back bumper. You know, it's pretty rusty and it's a little bent there. I'll see if I can straighten that out. And yeah, we'll get her all cleaned up, looking real good. That's where the hot water heater is. It's not bad. A little bit of rust here. I might touch it up with some paint. And maybe paint this. There's a little light here for when you're draining your black and gray tank, so I might spray paint that cover nice and white. She just needs an overall good wash, and we'll give her a nice pressure wash, clean her up. The two vents up here, I want to get some Max Air 2 vent covers, so that way you can have your vents open all the time and you never have to worry about, you know, if it's raining out, we shut the vents, or you can have them open all the time, and it keeps that circulation going in the trailer so it doesn't get so hot. So that's a little walk around the outside, some things I want to do. And yeah, as we start picking things off, we'll film it, and so you can see what I was doing. So that's a little update. If you guys want to see lots more on this, just comment down below. and let me know, and we'll do a tour of the inside and all the things I want to do in there so you can show you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that like button. It'll help me out a lot. And yeah, have a nice day.